Hey everyone, so we've been getting lots of requests. We thank you for watching. We thank you for sending in all your requests on videos. We thank you for being loyal clients that are waiting it out with us while we're at home wishing that we were with you. We're going to do today a video on how to cut your bangs. Been getting a lot of requests about bangs. We know some of women have side bangs or they have straight across bangs. So we're going to do a short tutorial on how to trim your bang. Do not go crazy. We just going to do a little bit. We don't want you to have saluting bangs. We don't want those. We don't know. They're not cute. Not right now. They're not in style now. So.
Oh, your nails.
I did them last night.
Look at your nails.
How you doing?
They look amazing, stuff.
Thank you. I have to learn new trades. Everybody's learning new trades. You guys are learning about haircuts. I'm learning about nails because I can't go without my nails done. I could, but I don't like to. Wet your bangs. If you have curly hair, and you're going to cut your bangs, you need to keep it wet while you cut it. Do not cut it dry unless you wear it straight all the time. Cut it curly so you know how far it's going to come up and it's going to bounce up, and you know where your hair lands when it's wet. So you need to just consider that when you're trimming your hair when you have curly hair. Once you get your part straight, you see the V. See how the V looks? That's what the V is supposed to look like. You can take your mirror and you can see from here to here. Your blow dryer. You can take your brush, you can take your blow dryer. Okay, notice I aimed the barrel of the blow dryer down so that the hair stays pressed down more flat to your head, because that's the way you're gonna wear it. So it lays flat and it just lays in that direction, and it won't stick up as much when you blow dry the hair back and then try to lay it forward. You're gonna have more volume. So you wanna blow it in the direction you want it to lay. I'm gonna show you how to make the slanted bang. This. Gonna take the hair, depending on where you want it to start. Now, most time when you have long hair going all the way down here, then you might want it to start maybe at your chin. So that way when it comes over, it gives you that like that. If you want it, or even further over, depending, if you're a professional woman, you don't want it in your eye, you can bring it up a little further. So you're gonna take your hands, you're gonna bring your hands down like this, and you're just gonna look at it like, you're gonna look down, you look at it like this, you're going to pull your hand so that it's slanted. See that? You're gonna pull your hand so that it's slanted, so that your hand is like this. And then you're just gonna take it on this side, and you're just gonna cut right down. And that's just gonna give you a little, so you cut it a little bit. You see how I just cut it a little bit? Still too long, you cut a little bit more. Still too long, cut a little bit more. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Now I'm just gonna take it up a little bit more so that it starts at right at the chin. So I'm just gonna